Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will learn different topic. How to calculate 10% exact profit value if only purchase amount is given. This lecture is for students and business persons who want to earn profit, net profit on exact value basis. If they want to earn 20% profit, if they want to earn 10% of profit, if they want to earn any percentage, the cost is given, but they want the exact percentage of profit. Then how to calculate? Because when you purchase the item, then you sell it, then profit will calculate. But if you have the your cost value, total purchase value, you may add your factory overhead, you may add your labor charges, and you get your total cost. And now you feel I will make 10% profit margin or 5% profit margin. Then when you sell it, this product, in which price you sell it, then you recover your total cost and you earn the net profit amount that would be same that you decided before. How to do it we will learn in this example. For example, we sell air conditioner, we purchase air conditioner, quantity is 5, per single item rate is 50,000, the total purchase cost is 2,50,000. And before starting we decided we will earn approximate 10% of profit by selling this air conditioner. So what we do, assume that we will get 10% profit. It means 90% would be our cost, because 10% when you sell it, anything you have cost and profit. Sales include only two things, cost and profit. Cost plus profit is equal to sales. It means if sales is 100, it means we get profit 10%. It means sales value is 100 and the purchase cost is 90. If, for example, if you want to earn 5% profit amount, then 100 minus 100 is your total sales value, 5 is your profit, and 95 is your purchased value, only for the learning purpose. Okay, we assume that we will earn just profit 10%. Therefore I calculate sales is 100. Every time sales would be 100. Okay, sales minus we assume that we will earn 10% of profit, so 100 minus 10 is equal to 90 is your purchase cost. So I delete this formula, as I assume my profit is 10%. It means so 100 minus profit 100 my sales value, 10 is my profit, the remaining is 90%, that would be my purchase cost. So I equal to this 2,50,000 is given. I assume that this is my 90%. This is 90%, and we want to know my profit. Therefore, I multiply it by I make it more easy. Equal to this. This is my 90%. This, and my profit ratio would be 10% multiply by 10. Okay, then I get the result. My profit amount is 27,778. Now I cross check this value. Sales value is 2,77,778. Purchase value is 2,50,000. The profit is, this is purchase value. The profit is this, sales minus purchase value. Sales minus purchase value. The profit is 27,778. How can I calculate profit ratio? Equal to profit divided by sales multiplied by 100. I got 10%. I will check it through cross checker. This profit is, it is my 10% of of sales value, or I reverse calculate through purchase rate. If you want to check like this, this I want to make profit, for example 2% or 5%, I make it 5, and here is 100, and 100 minus 5 is equal to 95. Now you see I get result 5% profit. Now the result cross checker is, it is also 5%. Sales value is this one, purchase value 2,50,000, the profit is 13,158. You can see the ratio 5%. Through this you can calculate your percentage profit amount through percentage. If the sales value is not available, you, when you start any business, you think this is my total cost and you want to earn 5% profit or 10% profit, then you can calculate your sales value. Hopefully this video will helpful for you, for business persons and students. If you like this video, you can share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.